Hello everyone, it's Sparkly Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I was coming in to say welcome to the Card Kit Swap and Collab, which is hosted by Cindy Vernon, Creating with the Heart. Yeah, it's a group of about, I want to say 13 of us, including myself. What we had to do was just send in a kit and she'll swap them out, and wanted to show you guys what we came up with. And I'm pretty sure there's some phenomenal crafters on the collab board, so it's going to be awesome. So let me show you what I used to make my kit. I used this ribbon. I can't recall where I got it from. I want to say Tuesday morning. That's what I want to say. Or Michael's, but I think it was Tuesday morning. And then I used some butterflies. It was a free printable. I'll link it in the description bar below if you want to get these. I used these here, and I made another different kind of butterfly. And I used these cutting templates. I used the one that says hello, if you can see it from there. And I also used the Echo Part Dots and Stripes 8x8 paper. I got this when they had that big warehouse sale, so I really like this. So I hope I can find it again. This might be a closeout, not sure. So let me show you how I put my card together. Because what we had to do was, I had a little, we had to use different elements, have like a focal point and everything. So I sent my kit in. The color I used was yellow. So I'm going to put this together right quick. My card is very basic, guys. Very basic. Where's my... show you how quick this is. I hope I'm in frame. Sorry. And I'm sorry if I'm shaking this table. Yeah, so this was very exciting. Very exciting to me to be able to put these cards together. I really enjoyed this. And let me use our glitter glue. I hope it's working. This is... it never works, right? For it to be like one of the good glues. Sorry, guys. Okay. Just stick this down here. And I think I want to make more of these, because this was a lot of fun. I can't wait to see all the other cards that the people, you know, that the ladies put together. So, put that there. And then, guys, it's so funny. This one looks different, ladies, because my actual template that the cutting die that I had, I can't find them. I don't know what I did with them. So I kind of improvised. I used my scallop punch and I punched holes around it just to give it that sort of look. But I'm not sure if that's gonna work good anyway, but it'll do for now. And then I'll pop these up with some dimensionals. I hope I'm in frame, guys. I'm trying to not to make this video be too long. And yeah, this is, like I say, this is very exciting to me. So I hope you guys go over. Really, I know it's some beautiful cards that are going to be made. And then I'll put that there. And then I use my oval punch. And I'm going to, the oval punch one, I'm just going to put that there. And then in your kit, you have butterflies. So you have 3 sets of butterflies. You have one, then you have the one with the 2 on it, and then you have the one with the 3 on it. The one with the 3 goes up top. So you just glue it down in the back, just that one, because you want it to be like a dimension. When the card is done, you line it up with the arrow there. And then the one with the 2 butterflies, you do the same thing. Just hold the wings, add your glue, and we're gonna put it like, you could put the butterflies down first, but I always did it like this because I wanted the wing to go underneath here, and you line it up. And that's our second one, and then this is our last one. Now with this one, you only want to put the glue down the center. We're going to line that one right there. And now I'm going to use these little dots here. And these go right up, right there. Easier for me to pick them up with this here. I'm going to put a little glue there to hold my dots. I always like sing when I'm crafting, guys. Sorry if you hear that background noise. Yeah, add that there. And then my word hello. You just glue out, you know, use a little, I put a little backing on this one because this was a mistake, but I'm going to use it because it's still good. I'm going to put that there. And we're going to use another dot. Just put a little dot right there. That goes there. And then we're going to do our inside. I think I always did the inside first. I don't know why I started decorating. But yeah. But anyway. Let's put this down. Oops, I almost put that upside down. Oh my God. And I'm going to lay that there. And now I got some little black marks in here. I got this here. It's called a mono something. And it removes marks when you get marks on your work. Yeah, see, it works good. It's called, who told me about this? Jacqueline Atman. She told me about this. If you stain like you get like the markers and everything on there. Yes, and sand and rubber eraser. Mono. Yeah, I got that from off of Amazon. And then it's stamped on the back, created by. I left it blank for you guys. But you could put your name there if you like. I had just put my initials in here. But I didn't want, I could have put my name there, but I just left it blank. So if you guys want to put your name, that's fine. It's no big deal. And there you have it. My card. It says hello and sending a smile your way. And I did like stickle the inside of this. Like it was like really nice. Really cute. So yeah. And yeah, so I was so excited to do this. Oh, yeah, and here's the little envelope that goes with it. I was so excited to do this, guys, that I made more. And they look so pretty. And, uh-oh, I just dropped something. Hold on one second. I think one of my diamonds came off. Oh, yeah. I'll just put another one on right quick. That's why you got to glue these down. Because that adhesive that be on them don't look good. So, yeah. So, here's a green one. And I put green paper. I didn't have that type of cardstock, so I just used printer paper, computer paper. Here's a pink one. It's really pretty. The pink. The blue. I did an orange one. And the last one I did was purple. I know we got a lot of people love purple out there. So yeah, so like I say, you can get your stickle and stickle a little flower inside and it will turn out so pretty with the stickle on it. So the green one may have that stickle in it. Yeah, the green one does. Because I was just messing around with it. So yeah, guys, so I hope you really like it. And I would love to give this to someone. So if you would like to get these, I'm going to do this little giveaway with this kit because this is really, really cute. So if you want to win this, just put down in the comment section, enter me, and I'll pick a winner like within a couple of days. And with that being said, it will also come with the little card purse. So yeah, you'll get the envelopes, which I will be putting a butterfly, a matching butterfly on the envelope to match. And it's so cute, guys. You just put the cards in there. And look how cute that is. Adorable, right? So cute. Yeah. So cute. So I just wanted to give this to someone. So thank you guys for stopping by, and don't forget to check out the other talented ladies. They are doing some phenomenal cards, guys. I can't wait to get my card swap back. I'm gonna be so excited putting it together and watching everyone's videos. So again, thank you, Cindy. This was a lot of fun. And don't forget to check out the other ladies, guys. And thanks for stopping by. And remember to always sparkle. Bye now.